Yeah, I already know why you clicked on the video. You clicked on the video because the title reads Stellar Lumens Bearish Forecast. Yeah, I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to show you what I think the price in Stellar Lumens is about to do. Don't worry about it. I got you. Because I look at the news according to the charts. I don't come in and give you some other person's opinion. I don't try to come in and read articles because you can do that on your own. If you know how to read, why would I need to create a video just so that I can regurgitate what somebody else already said as asinine? So let's try to get a heads up as to why we suspect Stellar is still bearish. I mean, take a look at my chart. Let me zoom in on this chart real quick because I want to show you that our idea is still on point. I did this price prediction in Stellar right there on September the 7th. Now, from out the gate, what happened? I mean, you can see, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to hide anything from you. You can see price did go up. But how high did it go? Right. It came right up here to our resistance area around 13 cents. Now, it would have been one thing if we would have seen the market in Stellar break above our resistance area 13 cents and held this area, and then we saw the market break out, as some would say, but that did not happen. So that's how one thing that I know that maintains this bearish forecast is because that didn't happen, and that price still got rejected at our resistance area. It was a small time to where price did trade above 13 cents, but right there on September the 12th, you can see it went back down. And since that day, September the 12th, look at the price action since then. We're still trending down. Matter of fact, we're in profit. If we were to get out the market right now in Stellar, we would be up 2.46%. Right? So let's look at this on a different time frame. Let's see what's going on the 2-day chart. Are you still bullish in Stellar? Because I'm not. This 2-day price bar here still tells me that the market is weak. What about on the 3? This 3-day price bar still tells me that the market is weak. Now, I'm telling you that price is bearish. I'm telling you that the market is weak. But let me also throw this in here too, because the market is not extremely weak. It's maintaining some consolidation of trading. Look at this tight range right there. Very tight range in Stellar. So maybe seeing that the price is willing to uphold itself around 11.5 cents, we may see the market break back up to that 13 cent level and try to break out again. See? That's still a logical thing that can happen because we've created a structure off the chart that substantiates that that's a probable thing that we can see. But what is the likelihood of it happening? Because look at this on the 5-day chart. The longer that we get weakness bars, like the first one that the arrow's pointed down to, and this one, the market is harnessing, is increasing its weakness to where I won't suspect price in Stellar to break above 13 cents and expect it really to continue to go down. Look at this, the weekly chart. I'm here to tell you right now, in the next day and 11 hours, if Stellar looks the way that it looks right there on the weekly chart, right there on that weekly bar, yeah, we're going to see price go lower. And it may even exceed our ultimate TP price, which is around 0.113 cents. You may see it come all the way down to 10.5 cents. I'm just saying. So let's see what happens in the next day and 11 hours in Stellar. But that's it. I'm finished. That's the bearish forecast right there. Outside of us looking for price to continue to go down in Stellar, I would tell you to keep your eyes open on that support area that I've just mentioned, that we just created. So let me get rid of this downtrend line. And I want our attention to be focused on this area of support for Stellar. Okay, because if it continues to hold this area, then the market is increasing its chance to try to break back up above 13 cents. All right, so let me extend these lines, this prediction over a little bit to the right, and we'll leave the rest alone. All right, so let's see what happens in the market in Stellar from this range. But for me, the idea, I think the higher probability of where price is trying to go is still down. Sorry. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. But give me your thoughts. And to those who are new, if this is your first time ever seeing my videos and my content, this is what I do. You know, I come in and I give you all news according to the charts, try to show you an easier way to determine where price is likely to go. And yeah, there are times where I don't get it correct, and you'll see those videos too. But it's also a learning opportunity. So if you guys want to learn, hit that like button, instead of being also subscribe to this channel, because you're not going to get this anywhere else. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.